What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video I want to introduce to you rope flow as a way to get your spine better, to get motion and blood flow through your spine in order for your spine to feel a lot healthier. So if you have a sedentary job, if you sit too much, this is very much going to benefit you, because we're going to move the spine in a way to loosen it up again and to really restore motion into your spine. And the way we're going to do that is not with fancy moves like I showed you in the beginning. We're going to do that with just a simple exercise. And you have two basics as it comes to rope flow. You have the overhand, where the rope comes from above forward, and you have the underhand, where the rope comes from below all the way forward, right? And the one that I like the most for spinal health is the underhand, because the overhand, I feel like you're caving in, you go forward, and it really has its benefits as well. But if you really want to have the spinal benefit, I like you to go underhand, because then you open up your thoracic spine, you open up your chest, and that is something that a lot of people are going to benefit from. Now, you see me just do the figure eight, and my hands, my arms are not moving that much, because all the movement is coming from my spine, and that is what I want you to learn first. So get the hang of moving the rope from your spine. Boom. I don't want you to do this. Maybe it starts out like this, but I want you to keep your hands closer to your body and really let the rope move from your spine outwards. Boom. And what I now feel is that I'm really doing like a figure eight around one segment of my spine. So one disc is like really moving a lot. And what I noticed is that you can really control which disc has the movement. So now I'm letting it go towards my lower back, and now my lower back is moving more, and I don't think that it's possible to see, but I want you to try this one with me if you have a rope and really feel that you can go down. So I feel like I can go from my thoracic spine here all the way down to here. Okay, so really experiment with that, with the underhand. Boom. And what I want you to find is areas where you're a little bit more tight. Just focus on that one and stay there. Boom. Now, if you want to go to the lower part of your lower back, to your sacrum area, what you can do is you can try and walk back and forth. This engages the hips while doing rope flow. And I'm going to show you from the side view here. Boom. You walk and you can really engage those hips like this. Boom. And go back. And that is going to move your lower back a little bit more. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, or if you learned this move already, the cheetah's tail is really what gets your sacrum moving. So this one here, you can really focus on the sacrum area. Boom, and get that one loose. So from a health standpoint, really a move worth trying, but you can get a lot already from just the figure eight underhand movement. And that is what I find so great about rope flow. You don't need a lot of skill, you just need practice, and you need to be in a place where you're at ease and you can really feel your body. Try and notice how your spine is feeling. And that reminds me of Way of the Rope. So Way of the Rope has a poster where, or a t-shirt, where he has all these figure eights, these infinity signs, all the way across the spine. And that's really what it feels for me. Like you move each and every segment, each and every disc of your spine, and that makes that figure eight, which increases blood flow, which increases movement, and movement is medicine, and it's going to really restore your spine in a way that I find it's super amazing. So for example, last week I was not able to do rope flow due to bad weather, which is an excuse obviously, but yeah, I didn't do it. And I sat a lot this week, so I really felt like my hips were feeling tight, my lower back was feeling off, and it was not great. So by having this rope flow, by having this tool which you can use, and it's very easy to use, just get a rope, do this one, and your spine is going to thank you a lot. So yeah, Unfortunately, it's not really visible on camera where my spine is moving, but if you try this one out, you're really going to feel that one segment is really moving, and that you can, it's like if you're moving one part or the other, you're going to feel that you can actually choose where your spine is moving from and where the rope is moving from your spine outwards. And this is going to be all hopefully clearer once you try this one out. And if it's not, we can discuss in the comments down below. I'm really there for you guys. I really want you to get stronger and better. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace.